Hey, this is Prajapati Rahul from digitalfreelancingworld.com. Today I am here to talk about a quick guide to be a digital marketing freelancer. So let's start. So first topic is why become a digital marketing freelancer. In today's world, the jobs are unstable and digital marketing can help you have that extra income or a side hustle, or you can say a cushion for you to have a extra income which will support you at your bad times. And marketing freelancer job is also good because if you are having unstable jobs, you can learn digital marketing and be a digital marketing freelancer. Digital marketing is also going to be in top 10 most demanding skill in future around 5 to 10 years. So learning digital marketing will help you, or becoming a digital marketing freelancer will help you a big time in future. After you become an expert or learn all about your niche, you can start an agency or startup in your niche as a digital marketer or any other niche. You can start a company or a agency. The next topic is what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is a online advertising is an online advertising to reach customers online by advertising products and services and platform on digital platforms like social media, your own website, email marketing, etc. Digital marketing can be used to reach your customers or your target audience. Digital marketing today in today's world is a big topic and is very much in demand. The next topic is why learn digital marketing. It's where the people, the customers are in today's world. In today's world, the most of the peoples are available on online for many hours. They use social media, visit websites, read blogs, articles, etc. So most of the people are online in today's world. So you can say that the customers you are trying to reach are mostly available online. Digital marketing can help you reach your customers easily. It levels the playing field. It means that in today's world, the malls and the supermarkets have, have hurt the small businesses mostly. Because of the malls and supermarkets, the small businesses have been doing very badly, and digital marketing can help small businesses go online and play on the same field as the playing big companies are playing. So digital marketing can help you play on same level as the other big companies are playing. Better reach to target audience. Digital marketing can help you reach the target audience you require. Radio, magazines, newspapers cannot reach your target audience. It takes a lot of time to reach your target audience through these mediums. Digital marketing can help you reach your target audience because you can select what type of audience you want to reach through Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. or doing SEO to gain traffic on your website and sell your products or services. And you can know about your target audience easily through digital marketing. Personalization. Digital marketing can provide personalization to the customers. Customers are always looking for things which gives a personalized feel to them. You can do this by providing a valuable content or product content product etc to the customers, which will make it personalized for them. It can give value to a brand also. So learning digital marketing can help in these things like personalization, better reach to target audience. It levels the playing field, and it also helps to reach the people you are looking for, which are all available online today. Steps to learn: start learning digital marketing with your niche. Your niche can be anything. The niche can be like you, if you are a fitness enthusiast or you have a talent of being a fitness enthusiast or a trainer and you have passion for it, you can do it as your niche. You have a big market opportunity. If you need to have a big market opportunity for your niche, you need to choose a niche very narrow, which can help you reach a specific target audience which requires your help, and this will help you grow better. The another thing is to start learning digital marketing is to learn multiple things in digital marketing. Start learning online. You can watch videos or do an internship or read blogs etc. Have a courses etc. to learn digital marketing. You need to learn multiple things in digital marketing because one thing won't get you anywhere. You can choose a niche, but you need to learn small things around it. Like if you are content writer, you can't just write content on your blog and put it out there and it will reach the customer. You need to learn SEO and Google Ads in a small manner, or you can little bit of it, so you can reach your target audience or customers or your audience. Now another one to learn digital marketing with your niche is to by doing it. Anything you want to learn in a life is you can do by doing it. I am a digital marketing. I have started learning by doing it all myself. I am in an internship program where I'm learning all about these things. I started learning by creating a blog. Create Creating a blog will help you start your or digital marketing journey. You can start small, create a simple blog and start writing about your blog. You can start a job. Starting a job, you can do the things with another people's money, and you can gain experience. Take small projects. If you are not on a job, you can take small projects like from a small business around your home etc, and try to create their website and do SEO and Google Ads for them and provide them the websites online, which can help you learn by learning, and you can earn some money also. The next topic is building personal brand. To be a freelancer, you need to have a personal brand because it will help your clients to understand you better, what they need. They can find you easily and they can believe in you as you have a build your personal brand. To build a personal brand, you can start writing blogs and create your audience. Right, blogs takes time to create an audience, but it's a slow process. But if you succeed in that, you will grow much faster after that. After growing your audience, you can do live webinars and consult people. charging money from them. You can do live webinars for free to build an audience and consult people for small sessions regarding their problems to, to solve their problems and charge the fees for the sessions. The next topic is learn how to charge for your services by understanding market. This is important to know how to charge about your services or products. You need to learn how to charge and how much to charge. You need to learn how the market works. For doing that, you need to understand there are different type of rate rates and hourly rates, fixed rates and retainer rates. Hourly rates and fixed rate. Fixed rates are where the client provides you the fixed money for your work, freelancing work, and another retainer. These are the topics for you can search on Google. You will find it. I cannot uh, provide all the information right now because the video is going to be get too long. So search about it. You will find the results. And the next, we move on to the next topic is start selling your services as a freelancer. After gaining a lot of experience and learning how to charge for your services, you can start selling your services as a freelancer. You can find to start selling, you need to find clients. You can find clients on platforms for freelancing work like example Upwork. Upwork.com is a freelancing site where the freelancers are available and providing different services for the companies or people who want to get the services of freelancing on digital marketing. Another one is traditional job sites. Traditional job sites can provide you a jobs related to digital marketing. You can go interview, give an interview, and you can tell them that you want to be a digital freelancer. Most people don't know about it, but the companies are okay with the freelancers as as their worker because this cut down the cost for them regarding training, onboarding, office costs, taxis, cuts, etc. So i- they will be accepting you as a freelancer. So you can try on traditional job sites. Other platforms are like social media platforms. You can post there regarding your blog. You can post a backlink of your blog to create a target audience for get a traffic for your blog, and if the clients will be coming to your blog, and if they find that you are credible for doing their work, they will be providing you work. You can use LinkedIn also. You can post there your blog link, backlink, and try to gain traffic from there to your website, etc. So these are the points you can use to as a quick guide to become a digital marketing freelancer. It's a great opportunity and it's going to be very demanding in future. So don't wait, start. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.